Today we will find how to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, average, find maximum and find minimum function in a spreadsheet. So let's get started. So now I'll open Google Sheets. So this is an online spreadsheet. This is free. I'll just click on it. I'll open a blank sheet. I already have one. I'll just open it because I have example data. So I have names, subjects and names of the persons and the total. So I have this sum, subtraction, multiplication, average, minimum and maximum functions. So first we'll do addition, sum, right? Okay, so I want Paul, Ravi, Pollard, Lara, Smith, Bravo as example, and I want total. So total is nothing but sum. So total I'll do it. I'll start with the equal to. I'll just equal to and I'll write sum. So here have it. I will open bracket and it's B4 is 49. Okay, so I'll type B4. I'll type is to. No, it's the ratio symbol is to. It's not comma, note it. It's is to. I need till E4. So E4 I'll type. The sum is 130. So in the same way, I'll show you another method how to do it. So I'll just type sum. I'll just open bracket and I'll copy all the numbers what I want to summation. Copy the range of the cells where I want to do addition. So this is addition, and I'll show you like next subtraction. Okay, I'll show it. Okay, so in addition I need the below rows also, like Ravi, Pollard, Lara, Smith. So I'll just click on 130. There is a small arrow mark. I'll drag it. So I got summation of all the numbers which I wanted to. And for example, I'll show you another time if you missed it. See, already it has been addition. So I'll click on it. Small blue pointer. I'll just drag it. So it takes the sum and the formula in the same way and add it to the other cells. In the same way, on the other side, if I do it, you will get the same numbers. Okay, now we will, in the same way I got this also, addition. So addition is done. Now we'll go with the subtraction. Subtraction, I'll show you. Just a point yellow color. So currently we are working on it. Subtraction. Okay, have for example, I'll show you. This is 101 minus 101. I cannot do. So I'll change 101 number to other number. For example, the number is 75. Okay, 75. 101 minus 75 I need it. So in the same way, equal to will enable the formulas. Equal to bracket, I need the cell value. It's F8 minus I need G8, that is 75. Okay, G8 bracket, and I click on enter. So that subtracts 101 minus 75. Answer is 26. Okay, in order to apply same formula to the down row, there is a blue color pointer, I'll just drag it. So it is 155 minus 155, it is 0. So this is subtraction. If you want to apply it to the above rows, copy and paste it. I'll just copy this 26 number. It copies the whole cell range, so cell formula also. I'll just paste it over there so you can see 130 minus 130 is 0. 136 minus 136 0. See, I'll just show the formula if you want. See, for example, 45, I change the number, so 91. 136 minus 45, it is 91. Okay, subtraction is done. I'll just point that has a green color. Now multiplication. I want 75 and 226. So formula equals to, I'll start with equals to bracket, it's G8 into is a star mark. Okay, on your keyboard, shift 8 would be star and type H8. So I 75 into 26, press enter. So you got this value. If you want to multiply down 155 into 0, just drag it. So answer is 0. You got it. On the above rows, if you need, just copy Control C, Control V. Now 130 minus 0. Okay. See, you can got it. 45 into 91, 4095. In this way, you can multiply any range. So I'll change the number 129 into 25. See, automatically it has changed. Nothing to do because we already have the formula. I'll just mark it as green. Multiplication is done. We need average. These are the interesting functions: average, minimum, and maximum. So I need the average of total Bravos marks. I'll put on yellow, work in progress, average. AVG is not working. AVERAGE, average. This whole row from B9 to I9. So average is 58.125. Click on it. So those are the number of cells. If I want average of the same thing, dragging on it, but I need average of the above cells from C4 to C9. So this is the other way, as I showed you, is to C9. C4 is to C9. Now you will get the average 33.333. Okay, now I need average of chemistry, science, and total. So what I do, I'll just drag it. I will get the average of all those things because I have the same formula in the cells. I've pasted it, so I copied it and pasted over it. So it's like copy and paste. I'll just mark that as green color. That's done. Now we are on the minimum function. Minimum function, it's work in progress. Oh, minimum of this. What is the minimum number? By seeing, I can tell the minimum number is 0. Okay, in this cell, the minimum number would be 21. So what I'll type, the first one would be average, which is done. And minimum function, I need 49 to 41. What is that? Minimum. I'll type minimum, open bracket, 49 to 41. So I'll select range of cells and press enter. So minimum is 21, correct. The other method is cell range. So C4 to C9 is to C9, not gamma. So it's C9. See, this is the thing. If you press gamma, it will be only both the numbers. If you press is2, that is ratio symbol, then you will get whole range of cells. You can observe the difference over there. C4 to C9 and I hit enter. So minimum value is 20. You can see the small value is only 20. Now I need for chemistry, science, I know the trick of this, so I'll just drag it. So I got all the values now. Okay, see, this is minimum function, same formula, you can see, no doubt about it, no doubt. Okay, then this function is completed, minimum function. I'll just mark that as green color. Yep. So now we'll go to maximum function. Max function, max. Okay, I need maximum. What is the maximum value in that above? Max, and I'll select, I'll open bracket, and I'll one is we have to select the range. Okay, 49 to 41, done. 49 is the maximum. And there is another method also, right? You remember, not selecting range, we have another method that is equals to max, open bracket, select range of cells, C4 is to C9, yes, it is 49. Okay, now what is the maximum number? 49. Yes, so now I will just drag to other columns in order to get the other same maximum values. See, formula is applied automatically since we have dragged it. Now the value is this much, 155. So max function is completed. function is come. This all functions, sum, subtraction, multiply, average, minimum, maximum. I'll do one thing, I'll just keep all these formulas in the description, video description below. So if you want more like this Excel formulas and tutorials, do like the video and do mention in the comment section so that I can do more videos on Excel as well.